Okay, it's time for some seasonal slay with the December curlBOX. Can we get into this? Can we get into sis? So this month's curated box of curly hair goodies comes from Maui Moisture, which I was super excited to see because this is my first time ever trying any products from Maui Moisture. And I actually just saw some of their products in the grocery store the other day, and I was like, let me, pick some up. But I didn't, and I'm glad that I didn't yet because I have this box right here. I'll start off with the 3 products that I've already used, and I'll do it in the order that I use them. So we have the Maui Moisture Smooth and Repair Vanilla Bean Hair Butter for frizzy, unruly hair. This product can be used either as a deep conditioner or even as a leave-in conditioner. I used it as a deep conditioner and it's amazing. It smells so good. It really does smell like vanilla. It smells so good. And after I rinsed it out, my hair was so soft, so moisturized. This is a nice product. Then, going again in the order that I use these products, we have the Maui Moisture Curl Quench plus Coconut Oil Curl Milk for thick curly hair. And I use this as my leave-in today. So this is what's in my hair right now. And then last out of the products that I used for this wash and go, we have the Maui Moisture Nourish and Moisture plus Coconut Milk Weightless Oil Mist for dry hair. I put this shine spray on after I put in all my products for my wash and go. So right before I got under my hooded dryer, I like to spritz my hair with an oil. So that's what I used. The other 2 products that came in this box are the Maui Moisture Heal and Hydrate plus Shea Butter Hair Mask for dry, damaged hair. So this, like it says, it's a hair mask. I haven't used this yet, but I'm excited to use it. If it's anything like the Vanilla Bean one, I'm gonna love it. Last but not least, we received the Maui Moisture Hair Care Nourish and Moisture plus Coconut Milk Comb-in Cream for dry, curly hair. I might use this for a Flexi Rod Set because I've been wanting to do a Flexi Rod Set on my curly hair. I've done one on my straight hair and I can link that down below in the description box, but I haven't done it on curly hair, so I want to give that a try. So I think I'll use this for that, and of course I will film it. For those of you that don't know, curlBOX is a monthly curly hair subscription where we receive roughly 5 full-size products a month, and the price is $20 for the products and $5 for the shipping, so it's $25 altogether. And I've been subscribing to curlBOX since I think maybe March of this year, and I really do enjoy it. I love it. There's so many products and so many brands that I get to try out through curlBOX that it would take me so much longer and it would be a lot more expensive for me to do that just on my own. If you would like to see how I achieved this gorgeous wash and go right here, then please subscribe to my channel because the video on this look will be up on Wednesday. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. I love you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!